Meet Mojo68, an amazing see-through, customizable, and programmable mechanical keyboard. 6 unique and fashionable styles with a see-through design. Provides 6 custom keycaps and 3 profiles. A gasket mount style has been applied to a customizable keyboard for the very first time. The keyboard plate is surrounded by silicon and poron, which creates a more comfortable, classic feel and dampened sound. Boom, boom, boom. Use our exclusive APB KB tools to create custom macros and your own shortcut settings. With the APP, the colors and rhythm of the RGB backlight can be set with unlimited combinations to choose from. You can also program it with QMK to explore more fun. Mojo68 is here to bring you a brand new typing experience. What's even better? Mojo68 is hot-swappable. This design allows you to easily swap, upgrade, or mix switches without soldering. Don't like the press feel or sound? Swap it. Mojo68 supports 3 different connections: 2.4G USB wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, or wired connection. And it's compatible with macOS, iOS, Windows, Android, and Linux. In Bluetooth mode, you can connect up to 4 devices at the same time and switch amongst them to help multitasking and boost your productivity.
Audio Jungle.
This is Mojo68, the customizable and programmable keyboard with a transparent design. Create the keyboard that is perfect for you and upgrade your typing experience. Get your Mojo68 on Kickstarter now.